Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can change taskbar size in Windows 11 to bigger or smaller. Basically, there is no manual way to go ahead and do this easily on Windows 11 like on control panel, but what we can do is to go ahead and edit out the code for the taskbar sizes. So you can just go ahead and navigate through the registry editor. Go ahead and click on it, and from here you then want to navigate through a very specific location. So it's going to be inside the H key current user. You then want to navigate through software. In here you then want to look for Microsoft. And basically inside Microsoft you then want to navigate through Windows. Inside Windows, you want to look for the current version, which is going to be this one. And lastly, you then want to look for the Explorer. Click on Advanced. And inside this page, we are then going to create a new file. So just click on the binary value. And from here we then want to create a new file. It's going to be dword 32-bit value. You then want to name it taskbar si. You want to go ahead and be cautious of the capital letters right here. And basically with that, you then want to right click on it, click on modify, and then this is where we can edit out the value for our Windows 11. So 0 is going to be the smallest one, 1 is going to be the default, which is medium, and lastly we then have the largest one, which is going to be 2. And of course, right after changing that, you can just click on the OK button, restart your system, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.